Guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you the new updates going around. That's like Flutterwave and virtual service provider, they shut down virtual cards. And so those of you that have been using your better virtual cards, better platforms, you can't use it. And those of you that are using other platforms like Eversends virtual card, a lot of other virtual card that you know that you're using, they're no longer working. And you can see the news says that Flutterwave has said it will be shutting down the virtual card services, and that is starting from today. That's when this video is shooting out. Okay, so all virtual cards. So if you have funds in Flutterwave virtual cards, you're going to send them to your bank account back, or you're going to use them, take them out so that because Flutterwave will be shutting down these services. So you see these services are just now. Union 54 is the platform that most fintech companies in Africa have been built up. Also Chippercard are also shutting down their virtual card services. You can see it on virtual card news in Africa if you study these things. So you're going to see something that has been trending. A lot of platforms are out, so I'm going to show you the platforms that are working. Just stay to the end of this video. I don't just talk problems, I also prefer solutions. We can see Tech About just posted, that's Flutterwave, Eversends, other fintech companies have shut down their virtual cards. You can see this news has been trailing and all that. And if you look at this Union 54, the platform that most virtual cards is built on. Okay, most virtual card is built on. Okay, so they are removing their services from Nigeria, and it's affecting some virtual cards service provider. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some platforms that are working. I'll go to Google Play Store, I'll check them out. The first platform, well, let me just quickly tell you why. Now, most of these platforms that are out, these platforms are or any platform built on Union 54 partnership, they are leaving Nigeria. Okay, so these platforms are leaving Nigeria. Okay. All right, so that's an insider news. But what we're going to focus on now is our platform that are working. If you want to use virtual cards, like let's say you have subscriptions to pay in dollar, you can. The normal rule is that you go to the bank, open a dollar account, you get $100 in your account. You will get dollar on black market, $100 on black market. They use it to open a dollar bank account. Then use that money to pay stuff online. Okay, and you know how difficult it is to source dollar in the black market. It means you're going to look for the black market people, buy from them, and now walk into the bank. But with virtual card, all you just need to do is that you will just see the equivalence of naira. You transfer such volume and it's automatically credited on the account. They can use that virtual card and make payments. And virtual card most times has good rate than the direct deposit on the normal Nigerian virtual card. Okay, so I'm going to look at the virtual card platforms for now that is not affected. So I have 4 here. I have actually 4 here. I'll get more as the time goes by. Okay, so if your platform is not working, it means they're going to definitely send you an email. So if they don't send you an email, it means that that very platform is working. But what I just know currently is Chippercard, Better by Flutterwave, Eversends virtual card are no longer working. I mean they are dollar virtual cards. Okay, so I'm gonna see this virtual card news Nigeria. Okay, if you want to really understand the impact, a lot of companies are going to be closing up due to this. Okay, so for those of you that do arbitrage with virtual card or transfer, you're going to see that you're going to find a way of, if you're sourcing, you're making payment for Netflix subscription, all these other stuffs. So the first platform that you can use is giftcard.sudo.africa. Okay, let me go there. Giftcards, okay, .sudo.africa. So this one's I don't know, this one will be a bit complicated, but let's see. Alright, so this is this platform, giftcard.sudo.africa. This platform will give you a virtual card, and you can use this virtual card to fund, and it's still working because they are not built on this Union 54 partnership. Okay, I don't really have all the full details about the Union 54. Just give me a summary of what I just know based on the articles I've come across. Okay, so this platform is working. I think they should have an app. Let's check them on Google Play Store. Okay, so giftcard.sudo.africa. Okay, I don't think they have an app yet. Okay, but that platform is working. The next one that you know is wallet.africa. Wallet.africa. That's, you can get their dollar virtual card is working, and you can use that dollar virtual card to make payments. And for the proceeds that you normally pay in dollar, let's say you want to subscribe for something and the amount is just like you want to pay for your web hosting and the amount is in dollar, you can just top it directly, the dollar equivalent. Okay, then these other platform, Grill, Jig, I don't know that they have a app here. Jigpay. Most of them don't have an app, but let me show you. Let me type them on the Google Play Store. I'll type them here. So these other platform known as Gigpay. Okay, this one is working very well. This one can also allow you create the same thing that Grill.co does. This one also allows you to open a USD, GBP, and also you can also have a debit card. Okay, this platform does that for you. This platform. Okay, so you can use this platform. They have also a virtual account. Definitely, what I'm talking about this virtual card, I'm really talking about more of the dollar virtual cards. Okay, so let me go straight to the last one. So the first one I mentioned is giftcard.sudo.africa. That means then the second one I said is wallets.africa. Then the next one I said is Gigpay. And then the last one should be Payday. There's other ones, but these are the ones I'm confident about for now. Okay, Payday. Okay, so you don't need to freak. So this one will access them using the app. That's like we'll come here and click the Payday app, and you can use it. This one here, guys. So Payday app, you can see how the UI design is, and they help you do this and that, and you can see that they have virtual foreign accounts and foreign other stuff. Okay, so Payday, our virtual card works. So guys, kindly subscribe to this video if you've not subscribed, and see you on the better side of life. Turn up your like this video. Thank you, guys.